Hi crafters, it's Hannah here. I'm going to be showing you how to make this card today. I have had a lot of fun making this card. We're going to make this really nice sort of ombre background, which is lots of fun. And then we've got the silhouette flowers, which is from the Flirty Flowers stamp set, which is retiring, so yeah, get it soon before it's gone. So for this one we're going to do some inking and all that kind of good stuff, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is make the background for our card. So I've got a piece of Whisper White here on a scrap of grid paper, because I'm going to stick it down with washi tape so we'll have a nice border. But I've done it on the scrap so I can still move it around and whatnot. So I'm using the design to make sure that the border around will be even. I'll show you close up in a second. And that side. So I've used the design to line up the edge so that the border around it will be even on all three sides. It really doesn't matter too much, but that'll just make things a little bit easier. So I've got Daffodil Delight, Powder Pink, Pool Party, and then Rich Razzleberry, and that's the order that I'm going to be doing them in. So I'm going to start actually with the Daffodil Delight over this side. So, oh, actually there, because I've already smudged. So I'm starting at the top and blend, blend, blend. So we've got 4 colours, so just think of dividing this piece of card into 4 roughly, and go a little bit past where you need to because you want to overlap the colours. And then I'm just going to blend, blend, blend a little bit more, like so. There. Next, the Powder Pink. And I'm going to go across and overlap slightly. So this one is going to come to about halfway. And this is why it's good to have your cardstock on a piece of paper or on a board or something, some cardboard, just so you can spin it around and all that. So I'm overlapping the 2 colours, blending them together, and then just blending that out like so. Next, Pool Party. Forgot on here. Got bits all on me ink. Oh, I think this is dirty. Look, I'm getting, oh, you probably can't see, all white bits off my sponge. Oh well. So, Pool Party. I think I might need to re-ink this one. And swapping hands because my arm's getting tired. Seriously though, my arm's tired. Okay, let me just see if I've got a re-inker for this and I'll be right back. Yes, I have. So I'll re-ink this with you. So just squeeze and sort of scribble across the ink pad. Then I usually go that way and maybe a diagonal as well. And I'm not squeezing out anymore, I'm just using the nib just to work it in. There we go. That should do it. And I'm not pressing down very hard when I do this, just quite lightly, so I'm not really picking up much colour, just to make sure it's in there nice. Okay, now let's give that a try. There we go, much better. So again, overlapping. And we get a nice mixture there. I like that mix. And then you can always go back into the previous colour just to darken it a bit more again. And a bit more on the first one. Just so you get a really nice mix of the colours together. There we go. And then lastly, we've got Rich Razzleberry. Oh, that looks so pretty already. And overlapping. And then just blend, 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 blend. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I'm just going over where the two colours meet. Until I am happy with that blend, which I am. Add a bit more powder pink. There. I think I'm happy with that. Just give a quick swipe over. There we go. Awesome. Okay. I can close these up now. So I've finished with all of these 4 colours. And then the big reveal when you take the washi tape off. So gently peel up your washi tape because you don't want to rip your cardstock. So nice and gently peel up. And I'm deliberately going quite slow because I don't want to rip my cardstock, because I've done that before. Inked up something really nice and then peeled it up a little bit too fast and then wrecked my project, which we don't want. There we go. So you've got that nice crisp border around the edge. Gorgeous. Awesome. Oops. There we go, that's so satisfying to peel that up and to see that really nice crisp line. Oh my goodness. Oh, sad but true. The little things that make me happy. There. So then when we remove this, you'll really see the gorgeousness. And that is that nice crisp edges you've got around the edges around the edge, obviously. Okay, so I'm going to stamp on that with Flirty Flowers. So I've already got my stamps mounted, so I just want the silhouette looking one, so just these two I'm going to use, actually maybe even just the one. So I've got my memento, make sure that is stuck on well. Okay, and really ink your stamp up well, because it's got to show over the what we've done. So I'm going to go for one there, press down nice and hard as well. There we go. Then another. There. And I want to kind of cover, I've gone a little bit too high on that one, so if I do that, that may just cover that bit, and it has, awesome. So you've got a nice silhouette, cool. So we need to put this on a card and add a sentiment and some other bits. So I'll just go and grab the rest of the bits that I need and we can put it together. Okay, I've got a card base, a bit close, of Bermuda Bay. I thought that really looked nice on there like that. So I've got some pool party, what's it called, shimmer ribbon that I'm going to wrap around, and then add a sentiment. So I want it to sort of sit where the pool party ends, where the pool party ends, so about there. And wrap that round. Like so. And might as well use tape for the rest. So then I'm just going to stick this down. Oh, that's finished. Stamp a sentiment, and then we're good to go. That'll do. Oh. Take the backings off. And off these bits here as well. There. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like that. And then just for the sentiment, I'm going to go with a rich raspberry. Oops. And let's use a different one. Here's to the best day ever. Stamp. And I'm punching that out with a 1.5 inch circle. Oh, that's actually a bit too big. Let's grab 1.25. Yeah, that's better. There we go. And just so it's not so boring, I'm just going to roll the edge in the ink. So, whoops, hope you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just rolling, just so it gives the edge just a touch of colour. And then pop that up with dimensionals. There we go. Before I put those on though, I just want to splatter just a little bit with basic black. So I'm just flicking, and then you just get a few little specks. There we go. There. So it doesn't add a lot, but it just adds a few little specks. You can do the same with the Wink of Stella as well. That looks really nice. Oop. So there we go. What do you think? I love it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, making a nice blended rainbow type background, and I will pop some other videos over there for you to watch using the same stamp set as well, so you can get lots of ideas if you have it, and I will see you all next time. Bye!